Morning class 9. This is computer class. Today we will continue chapter number 7, input in Java. In my last online class I explained you some programs and I also explained you what is package, what is the use of import keyword, and what is the scanner class. With the help of scanner class, how can you give the inputs. Today we will study about different types of programming errors. Mainly there are three types of programming errors: syntax error, runtime error and logical error. Okay, so one by one we will study about these type of errors. First of all, about the syntax error. So these type of error means syntax error occurs when the syntax of the programming language is not respected. It means when you will do some grammatical mistake according to the language, according to that programming language, then it will show the syntax error. Okay, like you are studying the um, English or Hindi, so English grammar or Hindi grammar. So if you will do some grammatical mistake, your complete sentence will be wrong. So in the same way, in the in any particular programming language, it has its own syntax, it has its own rules. If you will not follow those syntax to write the programming, then it will show some error, and these errors will be given with, it will be shown by the compiler. When you will compile your program, that time these type of error will be shown on your screen. On that particular line or then particular command there is some error. Okay, so these errors can be identified at the time of compilation. For example, this is my first example: int num equal to 5. So you can see here semicolon is missing. You know that in Java each and every statement we are ending with the semicolon. Here semicolon is missing, so compiler will show the error here, syntax error. Next example, answer. Here answer is the variable equals to 3 plus into 9. In between plus sign and into sign there should be one argument. It can be any number or any variable, but it is missing here. So compiler will again show here error. Okay. So these are the examples of syntax error. Next one is runtime error. What is runtime error? Runtime error occurs during the execution of program. It means when you will compile your program, that time compiler cannot identify this type of errors. When you will execute your program, that time it will show the error. Means if you will divide any number by 0, so you know that if we will divide any number by 0, output will be infinite. It means it will show the runtime error. Here I have one variable n1 and second is n2. n1 is initialized by 5, n2 is initialized by 0, and we will divide these two numbers. So we will get the quotient. So third variable is quotient. Quotient is equals to n1 by n2, means 5 is divided by 0. So it will show the error division by 0. It is also the runtime error. Like next example, if you want to open such type of file which does not exist in the memory of your computer, it is not exist in the hard disk. Okay, so and you want to open that file, you want to execute that file which does not exist. This is also the example of runtime error. Means your command is correct, okay, but it will not give it will show the error when you will execute the program. So it is known as runtime error because it will show the error at the execution time, at the runtime. Next is logical error. What is logical error? Logical error means uh, there is no error, It will not show any error during the compilation time, or it will not show any error at the run time, but it will not give you your required output, your desired output it will not produce. For example, I have three variables n1, n2 and sum. Of course, I want to find out the sum of n1 and n2. But what command I am giving here? Sum equal to n1 minus n2. So of course it will print what it will print. If we will print the sum variable, what it will print? It will produce the difference of that numbers, not the sum. Means here it is the mistake in our logic. Okay, suppose that if you have to find out the area of a circle, and in the command you are giving the command, you are giving the formula to find out the volume of the sphere. Okay, so in this way problem is in your logic. You don't know how to write this program, how to write the correct program, you don't know the way. Okay, so it means there is a error, there is a mistake in your logic, so that's why it is known as logical error. So these were the three types of um, errors, main errors, means um, logical error, runtime error, and also the syntax error. Okay, some other type of errors are semantic error. Semantic error is the division of these type of error, means these are the errors due to improper use of program statements. Again, it is produced by the different type of you can say that uh, due to an improper use of program statement, like if you want to use that variable that is not initialized. Okay, or if you want to give an integer type variable, you are giving the value of a string. Okay, you are giving string value in um, integer type variable, so this is the semantic error. Okay, unknown reference. Okay, string is not defined but you are giving this, so these are the examples of semantic error. Means semantic error occurs when the statements are not meaningful, but mainly there are three types of error: syntax error, logical error and runtime error. Okay, so now I want to give you some homework related to this video. First question, explain different type of errors with example. It means you have to write in your notebook these three types of errors, definition and examples. Okay, and also you have to write the use of keyword import. In my online class also I was given this homework. That day I explained you what is the use of keyword import. Okay, so these two homework, including that homework which I was given in your online classes. Okay, so these all homework you will do in your fair copy. Okay, so now in my next video I will explain you some programs with the help of scanner class. Okay, so till that time have a nice day. Thank you.